Hey there, just want to say hello and thank you for joining me today on episode 36 of Better Than Bad, sponsored by Third Nature, baby. Alright, so today on episode 36 on Better Than Bad, it's actually going to be a tribute episode. A friend of mine, his name is HEARTFELT, an amazing hip-hop artist, does some incredible work, and I love his sound, I love his vibe, and I wanted to give him some extra motivation. Y'all know what that feels like. You've been doing this, you've been doing that, and it's just not working. You start moving forward, then all of a sudden you're moving backwards. You know what that's called? That's called life, and sometimes it sucks. One of the things that we all appreciate and we could always look forward to is someone taking the time to focus on you. I saw a picture of him and I said, you know what? I want to do something with it. I want to take time out of my day and spend it on him because he would appreciate something like this. Lots of times we get lost when we're trying to be heartfelt and it doesn't come off as genuine. So this is my general interpretation of being as genuine as humanly possible. Sometimes we need our own hearts presented to us so we can see exactly what others see in us.
I remember the feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come? My body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Nothing left to give. When we break apart, the darkness with him.
Alright, that's how we do it here in the Phase 2 Photo Studio. Thank you so much for joining me today on episode 36 of Better Than Bad. Huge shout out to Third Nature for sponsoring this video when it's no longer a practice, but an extension of who you are. Huge shout out to Heartfelt. Thank you so much for being the inspiration for this video. I know you've got some music coming out. We're going to talk about that. We're going to release another episode featuring all your music. Shout out to another Third Nature member, Benev. He's one of the illest hip-hop cats around. I just want to show some love to all you guys, and I wanted to throw it out there. If you guys would like to be featured on Better Than Bad, we have tons of episodes coming up, and I would love to work with you. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. That way you get an update every time I release an episode just like this. And as always, all of our information is down below. Find us on Facebook, right here on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, we're out there. And if you would like to submit some art, whether you're a photographer, a designer, makeup artist, whatever it is, or you've got some music you would like to have featured on an episode, please get a hold of me and let's strike up a conversation and see how we can get you featured on Better Than Bad. And once again, y'all, we may not be the best, but we're definitely better than bad.